How I learned Tai Chi without an instructor. The proven method of learning Tai Chi with just the aid of an ebook. Hi, my name is Raymond Gonzalez. I became interested in Tai Chi when I had the realization of attaining holistic health of body, mind, soul, and spirit. I searched the internet and found various downloadable videos and read different articles about Tai Chi. In my experience, I do not recommend studying and learning Tai Chi from the free videos and articles, including those free Tai Chi teachings in the parks and other places. The details of the movement and form are not given and not clearly explained. Usually, you would be asked to just follow the movements of the lead practitioner and try to learn from them. For me, learning Tai Chi is far-fetched with this method of teaching. Do you know that I learned Cheng Man Ching 37 moves of Tai Chi at the comfort of my home without an instructor but with just the aid of the book written by Dr. Stewart Macfarlane? The title of the book is The Complete Book of Tai Chi, published in 1997. The book is now available on its digital format. The ebook edition has additional tips in order that students can understand fully the meaning of each movement and make Tai Chi easy to learn. For instance, the detailed animations of the different forms and movements have been added on this new digital ebook. Henceforth, students can have better understanding of the movements and can easily follow the details of the different 37 forms of Tai Chi. The title of the ebook is Tai Chi for Life, Health, and Fitness. Click the link below to acquire the new ebook of Dr. Stewart Macfarlane, Tai Chi for Life, Health, and Fitness.